Good morning, traders. This is an update on my swing trade with Spxl. If you followed my previous swing trading videos, you know that I was in my last trade with Spxl back here. So I got in back here. I added a few times when the price came back down and got very close to the 50 MA, and we ended up stopping out when we touched the 50 MA over here for a pretty nice profit. In fact, it was my best swing trade with Spxl yet. So what happened after that is we had this huge gap down, and then the day after the gap down on September 20th, we were triggered on another entry. So I could only buy 2 shares at this entry because of the size of this candle. So my position size is based on the risk. And if the risk is too large, then I have to reduce the number of shares because I'm only willing to give back so much of my previous profits if the trade fails. And the worst case scenario is that the trade reverses on the same day that I enter and I get stopped out for my max loss on the trade, which is the stop loss is still there because the price is still trading. Well, right now it's trading around the 50 MA, but I want to see it above the 50 MA before I move that stop loss up to the 50 MA level. As soon as that happens, then we will be guaranteed to be in the profit. So we're getting close. You may also notice that I have an order to buy 1 more share if the price breaks the level of this candle. And to me, that is my confirmation that the price will continue higher. Of course, it does not mean that that's a guarantee, but you know, the S&P 500 is pretty strong, and Spxl follows that. So anyway, that's the idea. None of this is guaranteed to work. So do not just do what I do and assume that you're going to make money. This is something that I have just been working on for the past year as far as these swing trades go. So let's take a look at the spreadsheet and you can see where we're at so far. With Spxl, I started my first trade with Spxl was on May 20th, so not that long ago. And you can see the results so far. Here's the P&L. This is the total P&L just since May. So doing pretty well considering, you know, our position size is pretty small. But it is what it is, and what I'm doing is trying not to give back too much of my previous win. So you could see I was making about $20 per trade on the first couple of trades. So on the third trade, for example, my initial risk was half of one of those wins, and that's what I was comfortable with. And then these are the ads. The next 2 trades are the ads on that trade. So this one here looks red, looks like we lost money, and that was only on that added share, not on the total trade. So really all of these are grouped together. That's why I have these bold lines outlining them. So the first trade, or I should say the beginning of the trade, is really right here, and then all of these others were ads to that trade. So you really have to add that all up to figure out how much money we won on that single trade. It was around $31 or something like that, $30 and change. So not bad at all, and better than my previous 2 trades. And now we're in it again here, starting on the September 21st. And we're risking this amount, $12.18. And that's why I could only buy 2 shares. If I bought 3 shares, it would be up around, let's see, $18. Sorry about that. So you can see that would almost wipe out one of my entire early trades. So not interested in doing that at all. And once I add that additional share, if I add that additional share, I will be moving my stop loss up to reduce the risk. And we should actually be profitable at that point no matter what. So I'll let you know how that goes. Something should happen with that either later today or next week, and we'll update you in the following video about the swing trade. So let me know if you have any questions. The plan that I follow is a plan that I've written myself. It is available if you're interested in checking it out. Even if you don't trade it, it may give you an idea of how to come up with your own plan. But it's available on my Patreon page, patreon.com/tradingarmor, at the Battle Plans tier level. This comes with everything that I offer here on the Patreon channel. So it's all of my trading plans, which right now includes a swing trading plan and a mid-cap trading plan, and I'm working on a small cap trading plan right now. And then all the levels below it, which you will get at that Battle Plans tier level, include all of my spreadsheets and calculators that you see me use in the videos. So let me know if you have any questions about any of this stuff. As always, go into every single trade with a plan. Stick to that plan no matter what. Always take your stop losses, honor your profit targets, and in the long run, you should be green. Take care.